Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to set up my bullet journal for the month of February. I hope everyone had a good start to 2021. I sure did because we just reached 5,000 subs. So I'd just like to thank everyone who have subscribed and supported my channel. And with that, let's get started with the setup. From the title, you probably know it's going to be a very pink theme, and people usually go for themes related to Valentine's Day for February. But to be honest, I don't really care about Valentine's Day. So I just went with pink clouds because even though I don't like the lovey kind of concept, I still like the color theme. Which is pink, so I just went with pink clouds, and I'm so excited because I can finally use watercolor directly on my bullet journal pages now. The quality of these pages are so good and there was no ghosting whatsoever. So if you want to know where I got this bullet journal, don't forget to check out the description for the link and more details. After painting a significant amount of clouds, I just wrote February with my Tombow brush pen with a mini calendar below that. And for the page beside the February title page, I wrote Head in the Clouds, which I decided would be a great name for this theme. I am then using my Staedtler markers to add some shadows to the lettering, and that is it for my cover page. For the monthly page, I just wrote the title with my brush pen again, and I cut out little letters in this pink paper to write monthly, and I just alternated with black and white colors for the letters, and I think that looks really nice. I really like the combination of pink, black, white, and gray, which is what I've used in this whole setup theme. For the calendar, this time I went for separate boxes for each day of the month, and since February only has 28 days, the spread looks very even and clean, and I also have a little notes and to-do list box as always. Finally finishing everything off with some more cloud paintings and some washi tape. Next we have our trackers page, and after tracking my sleep for a month in January, I just had enough because I know I'll never have a normal sleeping routine, so I'm just going to skip that for this month and just track my habits, mood, and YouTube schedule. For the mood tracker, I decided with a circle tracker. I've only done this once and I really like the outcome. So what I do with this is I fill in each individual box with the color that represents my mood that day, and I have a box for each day of the month around the circle. Then I just have a mini calendar just like last month for tracking my YouTube videos and schedule, and 3 little boxes for tracking my 3 habits that I track every month. And that is it for our trackers page. Finally, we have our weekly page. I just went with the most simple spread, a box for each day of the week, and some cloud paintings, and that's basically it. I just made this for 1 week because I want to do some IGTVs for the other spreads, and I will be posting that on my Instagram, so make sure to follow that. The link will be in the description, and that's my whole February setup done. So here's the final flip through. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. Let me know if you like this month's theme, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.